guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and when I hit 500 subscribers I will be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And today we're going to be doing a sunflower look inspired by Jennifer Metcalf, or not by her, but like her idea. She had made a video yesterday where she had seen a beautiful orange, red, smoky eye or cut crease kind of look on Pinterest, and it reminded her of a sunflower. And when she said that, I immediately thought of this. So for like a full 24 hours, this is all that's run through my mind, and I just really wanted to do it. If you have not subscribed to her, or if you haven't seen any of her videos, I suggest you go check her out. If you enjoy my videos, I think you'll like hers. They're very similar to mine. She does makeup, mommy, cleaning, and like home decor / DIYs. And I do like her channel. I watch her channel, so you know, you might too. With that being said, thank you to
Belle Adams, Bella Janae, Rebecca Martin. Belle Adams and Bella Janae both have channels, so you should go check them out.
For being the first person to comment on my last video. I really appreciate your guys' love and support. It means the absolute most to me. Like, seriously, from the bottom of my heart. That's why I'm doing giveaways. That's why I mention you guys in my videos, because I really do appreciate it. And if you have a channel, I try to support it and give you a shout out and show your picture of your channel up on the screen, at least somewhere, because I really do. I really appreciate your guys' support from the bottom of my heart. You're going to want to start off by priming your eyelids. I like to use concealer, and at the current time, my favorite concealer is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Alright, then I really don't have any idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try and go in with Tasty first. I kind of want to pack this all over my lid. I just want to go real heavy-handed and pack this like right on the lid. I'm going to be doing a sunflower look today. That's my idea. This is what I have in my head, so if it doesn't turn out, well, then it doesn't turn out. But this is about what I wanted here. I'm gonna try and make this just a little darker. I know it's a lot, but I feel like it's gonna turn out. So let's give it some time. Okay. I'm gonna go in with Suck. I'm gonna go in with Suck right on the edge of that brown and kind of blend it out. We don't want to put too much in there, but we definitely want to know that it's blending out into the orange shade. I'm going to take it in just a little bit more, just like that. I'm not trying to go too heavy-handed with it. I just want there to be some remnants of an orange. Okay. Now that we have that orange down, I'm going to take the shade Wow. I'm going to go in with Wow. And put that right on the edge of that orange. Just like that. I'm going to go back into just a little bit of suck. And then I'm going to go over top of it with more Tasty. I kind of want to reach into another palette just to get this brown just a tad darker. And we're going to go into No Beans. I'm going to try a little bit of Boutique, just a little bit. I'm going to go back into Wow, just a little bit. I'm loving the color combination now. This is about what I was expecting, honestly. I'm going to add a wing. Now I'm going to go do my other eye and my face makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm having a little bit of trouble deciding what color I want on my bottom lid line, or lower lash line. It was between Sour and what? Licorice and Raspberry. But I think I'm going to go in with And What. So, I'm going to take a little packing brush. Hopefully this works. I'll pack it on the lower lash line, just like that. I think the green would have been pretty. I just don't know if all the dark colors together would be, not that this one's very, very bright, but you know. This is also a beautiful fall look, which I think is great because fall is coming up fairly soon. And I'm ready for it. I think I'm gonna go in kind of smoky a little bit. I mean, kind of, that's what this whole eye look is, but I think I'm gonna go in with black liner. I wasn't sure. I even had an idea of doing blue on my lower lash line. I really didn't have an idea for the lower lash line, but I was very inspired by Jennifer Metcalf. Not by the look she did. You know, everybody has their own styles and opinions and everything like that. But when she said a sunflower look, a brown smoky eye is like, it's just, it popped into my head and I like couldn't get it out. And so I was like, yep, that's what I gotta do. I've got to do a brown smoky eye. I want to take this yellow, see, and the green would have looked good with this yellow too. So it was a really, really hard decision, but I'm going to go in with this yellow and place it on my inner corner. It's a little bit dark, so I'm going to place it on the inner corner here. Yeah, it's just a tad intense, but you know what? I like it. I'm going to add a little bit of Jawbreaker, just a tad, just to, I don't know, see if I can't maybe weaken the yellow just a teens. I don't want to dull it too much, but yeah. Yeah, that's the idea I had for the sunflower look. I was very, very inspired by Jennifer Metcalf and her idea to do a sunflower look. So, you guys should go check out her channel. She did this sunflower look, or a sunflower look, a couple days ago. And hers is also pretty. Hers is a lot brighter. Mine looks like it's getting ready for fall. Which I'm okay with. But yeah, I definitely could have gone in with a green. Even an army green I think would have been pretty. And it would have also made the inner corner highlight pop. I'm going to take a little mixture of lemon drop. I'm going to try anyway. A little mixture of lemon drop and Jawbreaker on the brow bones. But we'll see. And I do like this red with this eye look, but I also feel like a maroon would have completed it just a little bit more. Just taking it over the edge. So you know what? I'm going to also I'm going to dip into raspberry just a little bit. It's not a good idea to go in after you've put in your bottom mascara, but who cares? And I wasn't sure if I should go in with a maroon lip, a red lip, or a nude lip. Maroon, red, or nude. I think in the purpose of making my look different from hers, I'm going to go in with a nude lip, but a red lip would also look very pretty, and I think a maroon lip would also look very pretty. Let's go in a little bit browner. With our nude, let's try the Jeffree Star Posh Spice. Actually, I really like that brown. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what color you would have liked to see on the lower lash line, or if you even think this resembles a sunflower at all. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.